Gorgeous 5-bedroom Greenpark home. 2773 square feet. Many upgrades. Kitchen 2015 with walkout to fenced south-facing gardens. Hardwood floors throughout. Updated windows, roof and light fixtures. Fantastic layout with great flow. Main floor laundry with access to garage and powder room. Large master bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite. Wide interlock driveway and double-car garage and 5-car parking. Prime location so close to Steeles. Steps to TTC, school, shopping and all amenities. Extras: stainless steel gas Bosch stove, fridge, Rangehood, washer, dryer, freezer, furnace, center air condition, garage door opener with remote, all electric light fixtures, all window coverings, hot water tank rental.